Every robotics company starts with one robot. Building that first robot is hard. Then comes 10, then 50, then hundreds, across factories, warehouses, customer sites, and remote environments around the world. What follows is a growing maze of VPNs, firewall rules, SSH keys, and access requests. Engineers spend more time figuring out how to reach robots than improving them. Hours disappear into network troubleshooting, access approvals, and configuration work. And every new robot brings another engineer, another contractor, another support team member who needs access. Credentials get shared, access becomes tribal knowledge, and when something goes wrong, nobody knows who made the change. Worse, many robots operate in restricted or air-gapped environments where traditional remote access simply doesn't work. That's why we built Bringup Labs, the operating system for robotics development. Start with the capabilities you need today. Add new ones as your fleet grows. Fleet connectivity, telemetry, logs, data tools, all delivered through a simple extension platform built for robotics teams. With Fleet Connect, robots securely join a peer-to-peer mesh network. Engineers connect directly to devices. No exposed ports, no complex VPN infrastructure. Access is identity-based. Every action is traceable. Every robot is reachable, whether it's deployed in a warehouse, a factory, or an air-gapped customer site. Bringup Labs, built for where robots actually live.